Yeah. Elle veut danser, elle veut bouger, yeah. Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twice.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is the 16th day of my 100 days of YouTube videos. Well, today was really busy for me, so today I'm just going to show you how many makeup wipes I need to use to take off my own makeup. So yeah, so this is the Dr. Brown's baby wipes, and this is my favorite baby wipes. So yeah, so this is baby wipe 1. Well, let me use everything well. I'm planning to get like a clean sheet. So yeah. Now this is wipe 2. Just going to clean around my neck. There's the eyeliner on my eyelids, so I'm going to clean that out as well. And then just go over my face again. Yep. So yeah. So I'm done. So it actually takes, you can see how clean it is. Like it's clean to an extent. So it actually takes 3 baby wipes to remove my makeup. So that means you don't really need like those expensive facial wipes. Like you can use baby wipes as dupe. Anyways, I just wanted to show you how many baby wipes I need to use to take off my makeup, and I used 3. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also comment below letting me know what you think, if you use facial wipes or baby wipes for your face. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.
Let them know who got the crown, girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it.